Hi everyone. In today's tutorial, we will show you how to fix slow download speeds for games on Steam. If your game downloads are taking too long or seem stuck, we will walk you through some simple settings to help speed things up. Let's get started. On your Steam Deck dashboard, go to the upper right corner and select View. Make sure you have this view open, then go to Downloads. Once you are in Downloads, click the gear button in the upper right corner. Now, look at this section. If your location is not correct, you just need to change the region to the one closest to you. You can also allow downloads during gameplay if you prefer. Right here, you can clear the cache to free up some memory, which can help improve download speeds. Also, if this option is turned on, make sure to disable the download speed limit so nothing is holding it back. This way, we can download any file size and it will run at full internet speed. Once we are done, restart your Steam Deck, log out, and log back in. This will apply all the changes we just made. That's it. We have now covered how to improve download speeds on Steam. Downloads should now be faster so we can get into the action without the wait.